Good evening, everybody. Jay here. Just want to go through a little recap of today. It's been a pretty great last 2 days. Monday, Tuesday, both pretty solid days in the market. EV stocks are still going crazy. We caught the reversal on BABA. So now we're just sitting on our positions. I have Tesla and BABA at the moment, and then we'll talk about a play I put on Amazon, which is more of a little lotto play, they like to call it. Because we're trading the weeklies and it's already Tuesday. So we're going to see what happens with that trade. But let's talk about BABA. BABA's looking great. There goes my phone. BABA's looking great. We just closed over this 20 EMA. So that is more bullish information coming from BABA. If we look at the aftermarket, post-market, we're still climbing. Still climbing after hours, and this is very, very good for our position. Yes, I am holding BABA long term. I have January 2023, so 3 years from now almost. I have that expiration for some calls that I bought on BABA. And I also have a shorter term trade because, like I said yesterday, we have this gap right here. Now, tomorrow, if we could get into this 280 level, which we're doing right now after hours, if we could hold above 280, I think we'll go ahead and fill that gap right here. Let me just draw that for you. Fill that gap right here. That should put us at 290, and we'll make some more money on BABA. Now, as far as Tesla is off the leash. This thing is just going nuts. It might open at 600 tomorrow. I'm just kidding, but maybe. You never know. We can see after hours, it's still pumping. And I have a pretty wide spread, like I told you yesterday, which is doing great. I paid about $23 for it. Today it closed around $30, if I'm not mistaken. But we'll take a look at the P&L. Currently floating about $11,000 in profit between BABA and Tesla. And I have a small position on Amazon that I'm going to show you. But the Amazon trade is pretty much, just a lotto, aka a gamble. So I'm not risking, the full position size that I would, like I did with BABA and Tesla, because those were valid setups. Amazon, I'm just looking to see if we could get back to close to like 3,200 by the end of the week. Even if we gap up tomorrow, my trade will do pretty well. But that, might not happen. But something I am seeing is that we are spending a lot of time in this range right here with Amazon. So usually when you have something that's just in a range for a while, it's just building up energy. And at some point, it's either going to bust through this resistance up here, or it's going to bust below this support and it's going to trade lower. So my bet is that, we'll make our way back towards 3,200 by the end of the week. We will see if that happens. If not, it's fine. I'm fine with losing the $1,000 that I risked on the trade. Totally fine with losing all of that because it's just a small play. If I make money, I'm going to make $4,000 on the trade. And that's going to be a nice add to the P&L for this week. So let's take a look. Amazon, there it is. I bought 10 of those spreads. They close in 3 days, or they expire in 3 days. Paid about 84 cents. So I'm risking 840 on this to make about $4.16 per contract, which means 400-ish per contract. So times that by 10, I'll make about 4,000 if Amazon is above 31.90 by Friday. Doesn't mean I have to wait till Friday. If tomorrow we get a crazy gap up, it's already up $50 after hours or pre-market, I'll just close it out in the morning and take whatever I get. So you don't have to wait. You don't have to wait and wait until expiration to close out your spread. Now we can see the two winners over here. BABA got about $4,000 open. Same trade from yesterday, 260 by 290 debit spread. 290 is my target, short-term target on BABA, so that's why I sold that higher strike. So if BABA gets above 290 by December 18th, I'll collect the max profit on this trade, which is about 30 minus 885. That's about $21.15 per contract. So that's my max profit on the BABA trade. Times that by 5, obviously. So somewhere in the 10,000 range. And then Tesla's just on a tear. Tesla is on a tear. So I paid about $23 for that debit spread. It's $100 wide. And today it closed around 38.35. So I'm up about 7,600 on that trade. Tesla is gonna need some more. It's gonna need to move another like $60 to get max profit on this one. But I also have 24 days left on this because it's the December 18th expiration. So if that hits, that's gonna be like a $30,000 trade if Tesla gets above 620 by that time. But obviously with spreads, you have to wait until closer to expiration to collect a full profit, which on this trade, I wouldn't wait that long and give back all those profits. I would just close it out probably when I'm near like 80% of that max profit, like I said yesterday. But yeah, those are the trades that I'm in. I'm literally just holding them out. I did one trade today, Amazon, but that wasn't a big one. Really stress-free. But if we look at Tesla, see how it closed today, very bullish, still above all these moving averages. At this point, we could use like a little Fibonacci to get higher targets. If you guys wanted some higher targets real quick, we could use a Fibonacci retracement. Is there like a trading view one? Let me see. Yeah, that's over here. 1 sec, bear with me here. All right, so how you use this, pretty much you just go from the recent highs down to wherever it retraced and found support. So pretty quick, you just do it like that and you put it right here at the low. I'm just gonna drag it so you guys could see where this damn thing is headed. Next target, I don't know if you could see that because of the color, it says 615. 615.58 would be our next Fibonacci level. All right, so this is just based off math and numbers. And then the next one would be 793. Jesus. But Tesla got added to the S&P, got some upgrades by Wedbush. If you don't know Wedbush, Google it. And that's what's making this stock surge like crazy. So I'm glad we got to catch this move. And then as far as BABA, so yeah, those are the higher targets. What did we just say? 650. And then as far as BABA's just starting to turn positive. So if we could get into this gap, I think with closing above these moving averages, we're going to be able to slingshot up to 290, maybe 300 even. But BABA is one of those stocks I love for long term. And lastly, Amazon. Amazon, look, on the daily chart, really going nowhere. That's why it's just a gamble. If we could get going, 3,200 ain't far. That's under $100. Amazon could move like that on any day. So that one might pay off. That'll be good. But I'm willing to risk the $1,000 to see if that works out, right? Because we've had a crazy couple last days and it's been fun. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you a recap of what's going on, what I'm trading and everything. And yeah, if you need 2 free stocks, click that link down below. Weeble's still doing the promotion. Also got some Black Friday sales down below on my courses and memberships. After Black Friday, it's just going to be one product, right? It's going to be the trading, I'm going to call it the Trading Secrets private membership. So you're going to get access to all my courses, my alerts. We're going to do weekly live sessions, and it's just going to be $99 a month, and you're going to get access to everything. You're going to be able to get direct access to me. I made a new Facebook group where I'll go live probably once a week, maybe more. And yeah, it's going to be a lot easier to manage that way. And you guys are going to get a lot more value than just the one, options course. So yeah, get those deals while they last. And I'll see you guys on the next update. Have a great night. Peace.